Here are my top 2 secrets to consistently come up with strong and effective titles for my YouTube videos for free. Feel free to copy me. First of all, I did a previous video where I showed you the importance of downloading and installing the vidIQ extension, whether on your phone or on your laptop, on your browser, okay? Now, if you've not done that, that is the first thing I will want you to do. I did a video previously on that, but I'm going to walk you through how to go about that quickly, okay? Now, you might say, but vidIQ is not free. Yes, I know, but guess what? We are not going to be using any of the paid feature of the vidIQ, okay? And why do we need vidIQ for this? We need it because it will help us to know when we have arrived at a strong and effective title for our video, okay? So to install the vidIQ extension, I'll quickly show you what to do. So you come to your Google browser and then search for vidIQ. Write them together, search. Okay? Now, for no reason, I don't know why this first option doesn't work. This is their website. I don't know if anybody has told them, but when you click here, or if you click here, you discover that it doesn't work. So we don't have all the time, otherwise I would have done that. So you see. So let's scroll down to this. This is the one I want you to click, the one by Chrome Web Store, okay? vidIQ, click on it. Now, when you click on it, here you will see add to Chrome. Mine is removed from Chrome because I've added it, okay? So you go ahead to add the vidIQ to your Chrome browser, okay? Now, after you are done with that, it will require you to sign in. When you are about to sign in with the very email connected to your YouTube channel or any of your YouTube channel, okay? That's important, right? Having explained that, now let's go ahead to see my two proven ways to come up with strong and effective titles for your YouTube videos for free. And I said, feel free to copy me, okay? So let's get to the first one. In this first one, we are going to be using the YouTube search bar, okay? The YouTube search bar. Let's get to YouTube. So this is the YouTube search bar, okay? Let's suppose what we want to do has to do with uploading videos on YouTube. Let me type how to upload videos on YouTube, okay? Can you see this first one, okay? Now, the first thing you'll see here is that this title is on YouTube already. People are searching for it, but we want to know how well it is performing, okay? And vidIQ is going to help us with all those details. Now, before I click on this, look at here, you will see the vidIQ icon, okay? This is the vidIQ extension, so it's already working, okay? So let's click on this first one, which is how to upload videos on YouTube. So I click on it. Now, you see the vidIQ is performing here, okay? Now, if you scroll down here, you see it's giving us something positive here, 65%, that's 65. Let me still scroll down, it's still putting, that's why it's showing like this. And you see up to 65% is showing green. Now, if it's below 60, it will be somewhere maybe medium or showing red, okay? So what you need is something of high score. It says overall high score 65, okay? But that's not enough. When you scroll down further, you'll see more detail how to upload videos on YouTube. Now you see highest views, and this I think is per month. This is 4 point something million, and that shows that people are really searching for this, okay? Now average view about 500,000, okay? Average subscribers, that's people who subscribe to videos that have this title. They said over 1 million. Now last added 7 days ago, and so on. You see other details here, okay? So obviously this very title is a very effective one, strong one with low competition, okay? Let's probably check for another one, something close to it, and see. Let's see this one from phone. So you see the differences, okay? let's see what this is giving us. Can you see this one is giving us 50 here as score, and you see it's not as green as the other one. Okay, so it's still loading. When it's done loading, we'll see the other details here. Okay, just a moment. Okay, can you see the other details? Yeah, up to 3 million. Highest view, okay, average view 300,000 and so on. Can you see? And when it comes to subscribers here, over 700,000. So the other one is by far better. Okay, let's return it to that other one, which is this. So it's by far better than the second title. So that's first thing we'll check. Okay, but we're not done. Now let me copy this. Let me check the strength of this when I paste it in the title section of my video. Okay, I'll use one of my videos I uploaded to Draft, this one. Okay, let me just open it from here. Now notice what we're going to be doing here is very, very important. Let me paste this title first. It's reading. Can you see the score is giving us just 55%? But then let me adjust some things, because of course you see it's giving me suggestions here which I wouldn't want to use now. I want to use this exact one. But if you notice the suggestions is given here, you see this one is about 97%. Okay, this one is about 93%, and so on. These are really great titles. Okay, now when it comes to this part of vidIQ, you are given 3 attempts per day in this section. Okay, this particular place, you're given 3 attempts per day. Okay, but even when you exhaust the 3 attempts, you can always use this one. Okay, so that's why I want to improve this title that I pasted here. Let me just capitalize the first words. Let me make this one all cap. How to upload videos. The V should be capitalized on YouTube. The Y and the T, right? Okay, so it's still, sorry, I moved to the other place. Now, can you see just this little adjustment I did has moved it from 55% to 75%. Can you see now? Okay, so I can as well do in 2025. Let's see what happens. It's still that's still 75. Okay, let's suppose we okay, let's say we adjust the title to how to upload YouTube videos for better optimization. Okay, I think there's a mistake somewhere here. For better optimization. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Now it gives us 77% now. Can you see? Okay, let me now add in 2025. It's still giving us 77%. Let me change this better to capital all through and see if it makes any difference. Can you see? Just that I changed this better to capital letters, it has strengthened the title to 80, yeah? No, 93. So just changing the word better to all cap has strengthened this to up to 93%, okay? Now let me do something else. Let me bring this in 2025 to somewhere else. Sorry, I didn't copy everything in 2025. I want to copy from in 2025, yeah. Okay, let me even check this and see what it gives us without the 2025. Okay, it's 87. Now, let's say how to upload videos on YouTube in 2025. Let me put that 2025 here. For better optimization. Let's see. Can you see it gave it 96%, okay? Just by switching some terms, okay? Now, the first thing you notice is that when I changed beta to all cap, it improved the strength. The same thing, let's make this upload, this and see. Let's not make it all cap. Let's see whether it will reduce it. Wow, it gave us 98 now. I think I prefer this, okay? So how to upload videos on YouTube in 2025 for better optimization. Can you see? So we first of all got this search term people are looking for on YouTube. I'm using this to do a video, okay? And I will check to see how it performs. So see what we got from our search, the exact thing we got from our search, our YouTube search, okay? And then we have to add this other one. But beyond adding this other part, we had to tweak some things, okay? First of all, we had in 2025 here and saw how it went, and then we brought it in. And as well, when it comes to better, the word better, we had to make it all cap. It was before in small letters. We turned it to all cap and it gave us something stronger, okay? Then before now, because you might think, oh, he's making it all cap. Remember, before now the upload is all cap, but it was 96%, okay? But then we made the upload small letters and it yet increased it, okay? So you need to see a way to keep adjusting the title until you find what really works, okay? So what I usually do is when I'm done getting a strong title like this, I'll copy it. Remember, this is a video I have in draft that I'm not really using, okay? I don't want to publish it. I intentionally just uploaded it there, okay? So that I can use it for this check, okay? So I can just close it down. Now, let's say I'm going to upload the particular video I want to add this title to, okay? So I'll just click here and go to upload, okay? Go to upload. Let's say, where do I get a video? Let me just find any video at all. Let's say this is the video. I will just come here and then try to rename the video title. Can you see? Okay, I'll rename the video title and then start to upload it, okay? That's what I will do. I will then go to open and it starts uploading, okay? But I don't want to upload this, so let me cancel this. I don't want to upload it. I'm canceling it, okay? So I've canceled it, okay? So this is the first method I use to find strong and effective titles for my YouTube videos, okay? Now let's head over to the second one. Now it goes like the first, but then I'll show you some differences here. So let's get to that title again. This is the title, right? I'll copy it. How to upload videos on YouTube. Now I'll go to my WhatsApp, okay? So once on my WhatsApp, I want to go to my Meta AI, okay? Locate your Meta AI. Now, if you notice, I already have done some title search here. Now, this is the last one I did. Basic rules of marriage that every single needs to know before going in. Then I said, make stronger YouTube video titles from this, okay? The same thing is what I want to do. And when you check what it did, you'll see titles, suggestions that he gave me here, okay? So this is WhatsApp Meta AI. You can find it on your WhatsApp, I mean with your phone, okay? But I'm using the laptop because I connected my WhatsApp to my laptop, okay? But then let's do the same thing here. I'll paste this title and I'll just say make stronger YouTube titles from this. Now you can change the prompt to anything you want, okay? But the idea is we have to give WhatsApp Meta AI a hint of what our video is about and then ask it to make it stronger. So it will take from that hint and create something very strong for us. Now let's see some of them. Here it says YouTube secrets revealed. Then it says how to upload videos like a pro. So let's copy this. I'll just copy it. I won't just think it's nice. Then I'll go to, let's go to that YouTube space again. Let's go to this and paste this one here and check. Let's see the strength of this. It's still loading, just a moment. Wow, this is great. 97. Can you see? YouTube secret revealed, how to upload videos like a pro. So we can as well check the next one, upload like a boss. Let's check this. So you can choose any one that you prefer. I'm going to that same place. Let me replace it with this. And let's check. So we are using both YouTube search bar, we are using the vidIQ extension, and we are using WhatsApp now. Okay, WhatsApp Meta AI. Okay, so this is equally strong. This is 92. Okay, so you can check other ones and find out the one that you most prefer. But what I'll tell you in this is that you should find the one that has close terms with what you found on the YouTube search bar. When you searched on YouTube, on the YouTube search bar, okay, that's the one that you will go for, something that is close to that, because that shows what people will likely be typing, and then they will find your video. Okay, those are my top 2 secrets to finding strong and effective titles for my YouTube videos for free. And I said, feel free to copy my method. Okay, do subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Very important. If you subscribe and don't turn on the notification bell, you will not be notified when I upload another interesting video like this one. So subscribe now, turn on the notification bell, and let's see in the next upload.